Zero. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm hanging out with my sister Mo.
Hey everybody.
Today's video, Mo and I are gonna be trying on different sister Halloween costumes. I cannot wait. I absolutely love Halloween and making these kind of videos. In the past, I've made Halloween costumes for brother, sister. I'll put a link down below. I did that with my brother from another mother, Matpat, and Halloween costume ideas for you and your dog, which still to this date, Molly, may be
Still
one of
cute and classic.
favorite videos I've ever made for Halloween. If you've got a sibling and you want to dress up with them this year, or your biffle, here are some sister Halloween costume ideas.
Let's go.
All right, here's a hint for the first costume. Guess down below, what do you think it is? Okay, before we're gonna go put them on right now. Ready?
Do you wanna build a snowman?
All right, now we just gotta get these on.
Okay.
I'm gonna put your hair back. Sorry. You put your little fingers out like this, I think. Put your little fingers out. Or you hold the top, the front with your fingers, those two, the pointer fingers. And then I grab the back. Yeah, like this.
Yeah.
And we'll tuck all your hair in. Okay, now,
That seems like a swim cap.
same deal. Put your
Okay.
little fingers up.
Oh.
Fingers up, and then you get the front. Can you feel it?
Yeah.
Okay, then you line it up. I'll tuck this on. How's that? Oh, that's not right.
Do
Okay.
I look like a princess?
Can you help me?
Yeah.
Okay.
Here we go. I got a lot of hair.
Yeah.
The good news is it's already braided, so that's one less
Okay,
thing to do.
don't have to braid. Oh!
Is that it? Yeah.
Okay. This is Molly, does this look like a mullet? I feel like
Oh my god, wait. Does it,
I
it's
look
too
like-
far forward. I think you have to do
I
a
feel
little
like I
back
look like
more.
Dog the Bounty Hunter.
I do. No, it needs to go back.
You said I do? I literally look like Dog the Bounty Hunter?
No, I mean he's it's just the
This looks like an old lady haircut.
Put the ponytail over your shoulder. There you go.
Do you feel like a princess?
Well, you got me a jacked up wig.
Oh, you're
This wig is
great.
awful. This wig, I hope it did not cost you more than $1.
Snowman.
Ta-da! It's our first sister costume idea. We're Elsa and Anna from Frozen. And my wig is the worst.
I think it's nice that it's
worst.
pre-braided right there. I got a little pre-braids too going on here.
This looks
So.
like it's a mix between a Karen haircut and a mullet. All right, so this is our first costume, Elsa and Anna. Let us know in the comments down below which sister costume is your favorite.
On to the next costume.
Well,
Who is that? Is that the Property Sisters?
We're here.
This is
We're
our
ready
fun
to build
take
a house.
on the Property Brothers, but Property Sisters. For this costume, super easy. We got matching plaid shirts, and then we both had jeans, work boots, and a tool belt. What I really love about this costume is that a bunch of the pieces you may already have lying around the house, and we love the Property Brothers. They're amazing. They literally designed our whole house. Yeah, screen cap this. Ready? Send that to Discovery Plus. We're ready. We're ready to design rooms and throw parties.
I can put up some drywall.
That's
knock
right.
down some stuff
That's
with
right.
a hammer.
I'm more of
That'd
a
be great.
designer.
Yes,
but
you are.
I do
That's true.
love demo day. I don't know what that is, Molly, but I love it. All jokes aside, I do have a Halloween TV show that is out right now. It is on Food Network. It's called Halloween Cookie Challenge, and this is season 2 with spooky treats. I'm co-hosting with Duff Goldman. We have so much fun. Go check it out. All right, Molly, are you ready for outfit number 3?
Here we go.
Oysters, clams, and cockles. Ta-da! We are Sansa and Arya Stark. So I always dress as the older sister because in real life I am the older sister. Mo, I am older than you by 3 years. I thought they were the cutest Winterfell sisters ever.
Yeah, always on the same team. Nobody flips sides.
Love it. That's
love that.
Molly and I.
That's
we're,
great.
We're on the same team for life.
team.
We're out here fighting outer enemies, not inner enemies. To achieve this look, we actually went online and ordered some higher quality costumes. They did have some lower quality ones, but these are awesome.
And we even have needle. This isn't just any sword, it
No.
is needle.
My dire wolves aren't that great.
No.
Look at this one.
I knight you.
Oh no, she's gonna get it. They're really into these. She thinks it's a White Walker.
Oh, maybe it's White Walker training.
Whoa, 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 tiny beasts.
Jump the wall, jump the wall.
Oh yeah, yeah.
we can get the White Walkers
good
across
job,
the wall.
good job.
Jump the wall, jump the wall.
Blueberry, blueberry.
Okay, I think Blueberry definitely passed that training.
So that's our third one, Sansa and Arya Stark. Now, on to the next.
Woohoo.
We're cheerleaders! Now, specifically to just be sisters, you could just dress up as cheerleaders because
From any team.
Molly was a cheerleader when she was in high school. I was just a cheerleader in college. I thought this was a really cute idea for sisters to be cheerleaders. I forgot the pom-poms. I
Oh.
messed it all up. We'll have to just
Spitfingers.
pretend. But this is from one of our favorite TV shows and comics growing up. I used to collect the Archie comics. Molly's got the blonde wig to be Betty, and then I just left my dark hair to be Veronica.
And then we have the R for Riverdale and
Yeah.
the school colors.
So they're best friends, but we thought as sisters this would just be really fun. So this is a good idea if you're sisters or best friends.
It's an iconic duo.
It is
can
an
be
iconic
either.
duo.
It can be either.
Molly, do you remember any of the moves? Dun 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 dun. Okay.
What
Okay.
were some?
Dun 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 dun. Okay. Okay. Molly, let's do a little cheer pose.
Okay, ready?
What a cute costume idea. It is so fun to be a cheerleader again. It kind of reminds me of college. I love it. All right, Molly, you ready for our next costume idea?
Let's go.
Hi guys, it's Justine.
And I'm Jenna.
Welcome to the Same Brain Podcast. Nice job, Molly.
Coffee cheers.
Yep, our next costume, we are Justine, and her sister Jenna. To achieve this look, one of us needs to be a little bit more brunette, one of us a little bit more blonde, have some cozy sweaters, we have some athletic
athletic
leggings. I'm wearing the pink and Mo is wearing the blue like Jenna.
You
Look at that.
have your Apple Watch. I have Jenna's Switch.
This is perfect. I think Justine would be very proud of us, Molly.
Yeah.
And then I just need a dog, Maddie.
Oh, coconut.
We'll use coconut.
We can grab
Coco, come pretend to be Maddie. I'm gonna hold her. Ta-da, there we are. This one is so fun. I love you, Justine and Jenna. You guys are the best. Are you guys getting the new iPhone?
Oh my
Because
god.
we're gonna unbox it. Cool,
Have you
cool.
seen the new emojis? Can't wait to use them.
Do you have the new Rivian card? Because I do.
Out my camera comparison. It's wonderful.
Ta-da! We are the twin sisters from the iconic classic horror film, The Shining. We found these Halloween costumes already made online, and then we just went to the store and we got these little barrettes.
Yeah, the girls have like a little daisy, a little flower, a little white barrette in their hair clipping.
Now these aren't daisies, but we found barrettes that are pretty similar. And then for the socks, they kind of have these school socks. They're like white school socks, and they're wearing like ballet flats. But I didn't have any ballet flats, but Molly and I both had these. So we thought this would be our cute little adaptation of them. I love this sister Halloween costume idea for so many reasons. One, you can kind of be like twins. And then two, the movie The Shining is iconic, classic
Halloween movie.
horror movie. Mike just told me that he has never seen it. He's not a movie buff like me. I don't know how this is possible, but Mike, we're watching The Shining this year.
Okay, we know what we're doing after this, so let's go get changed to the next one.
This next costume is super simple and fun. I absolutely love it. It's from one of our favorite cartoons that my nephews love to watch, Molly's sons love to watch.
And I love to watch.
So I am dressed as Bluey and Mo is dressed as Bingo. And for those of you who know, you know.
They're Australian blue healers, and it's a mom and dad, and the older sister Bluey, and the younger sister Bingo. And they're so cute, and they go on a ton of adventures, and it has really good humor that I'm obsessed with. And they have the cutest accents.
So to achieve this look, we just ordered online these cute, comfy onesies. We've got a blue one, and Molly, is this an orange? Because
It's an
Bingo's
orange.
like orange.
Yeah.
And then these cute little headbands. And these were actually the Bluey and Bingo headbands. And then you just pair them with, you can even wear like a blue sweatshirt. In the cartoon, one of their favorite games is Keepy Uppy, and you have a balloon and you just gotta keep it in the air. And our dogs love it as well. So this is the game.
Okay, you definitely have to keep
You just
the
gotta
uppy
keep it
away
uppy.
from the dog.
Keep it uppy. Keep it uppy. Keep it uppy. Ow, keep it uppy. Keep it uppy. Exciting. I don't really want to take these off. They're so cozy,
I'm
but it
probably
is
gonna
time
put this back on after.
for our next costume. So are you ready, Mo?
Let's go.
All right, here's our next costume. We are Thing 1 and Thing 2 from Dr. Seuss. When I was a little kid, I absolutely loved Dr. Seuss books. But to achieve this look, it was really fun because online you can just get red t-shirts. We have Thing 1, Thing 2. We messed them up. I was supposed to be Thing 1 because I'm firstborn, and Molly was supposed to be Thing 2, but we messed up the sizes.
Whoops.
So it doesn't really matter. And then what you can do to make them match, which is really cool, is you can do anything from home. So the reason I love this outfit is we just did some black yoga pants with some matching tennies. Molly, which ones did we do? We did the little chucks. That's why I like it, because you can pair it with really anything you have at your house. Your wig is so emo. I feel like this is the Anna wig, but in blue. Whoa, shedding.
Whoa.
Shedding.
Okay, what's next? What's next?
Lots
What's
of
next?
sheddies. Get Dad's guitar and let's do this. This is not plugged in.
That's the problem.
Dun, 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 dun.
Dun, 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 dun. It's Mary Kate and Ashley.
We love pizza.
Okay, these wigs are amazing.
I've never been blonde, but I'm kind of loving
Molly,
this.
you look great as a blonde,
I
and
feel
I
like-
love being blonde. I feel famous.
I feel like we
in
need
this
to go
outfit.
out.
This is amazing. We did all black, so this is our New York winter
This is their
time
like
outfit.
current New York winter.
Yes, so these are our puffer jackets. We already own these. We also have some very fashionable, like the sisters wear in New York. They're like black flats, but they're like pointy with an oversized black handbag, big sunglasses. We found these big pair online, right?
Yeah.
And then we found matching blonde wigs online. And then one of the sisters, which twin has the French?
Ashley has the French bulldog.
Okay, so you're Ashley.
I'm Ashley.
And I'm Mary Kate.
Yes.
Perfect. Why is this my favorite costume?
I'm into this.
Molly, say it with me.
How
wooed! Our next outfit are again BFF best friends, but they could also be great sister costumes. So it's Romy and Michelle from Romy and Michelle's high school reunion. Molly in the blue is dressed as Romy, and I am dressed as Michelle. Now they do have shorter blonde hair, but we just reused the few blonde wigs that we had from the house, and then we found these dresses online. And then for our shoes, Mo is wearing some silver chunkies, and I'm wearing some chunky pinks. This is the perfect outfit if you want to wear something cute and 90s. Now on to the next outfit.
Oh my gosh.
What? Is that your mom and not my dad?
Are we twin
Are we
sisters?
twin
separated
sisters?
Very close to birth because our parents got
Separated at
divorced.
birth, and then we met each other at Camp Walden?
And now we're in the
What?
Parent Trap.
Our last costume idea is Annie
And
Hallie from The Parent Trap, which is a classic, iconic movie. I love it. It's so adorable and cute. They're twin sisters, so to achieve this look, we just found some green shorts online, and then they had Camp Walden t-shirts online. You need to have the gold heart locket necklaces.
And
Twinning.
your parents' picture from the
Yeah.
cruise where they fell in love.
Molly, you have a little hair here. There. For this costume too, we weren't really worried about hair color. We thought, we'd just leave it natural because we've already got the matching outfit. And then we just wore some little matching sneakers. We got our Chucks on. If you haven't seen the movie Parent Trap, I would encourage you to. It is a classic. We love it. I feel like it's a very beloved movie. All right, that was our last costume. That does it for sister Halloween costume ideas. I really hope you guys enjoyed the video. We had so much fun making it, and I hope it gave you lots of ideas for for this Halloween season. Maybe for you and your sister to dress up, or you and your bestie, to dress up together. Out of all the costumes that we tried on today, let us know in the comments down below which one out of the 11 costumes was your favorite. I had so many favorites, Molly.
I have a couple
so many
favorites
classics,
for different reasons.
but I like the Mary Kate and Ashley Olsen.
I am
I
obsessed
felt
with
fabulous.
their vibes. I just kind of wanted to be them. I was kind of obsessed with the hair. I think the hair did it for me.
We have the dog in
I've never
blonde.
been blonde
That's
before,
what did it for
and
me. Being blonde is really fun, Molly.
I kind of
It
want to put
just
the wig back on.
damages your hair.
I'm gonna go put the wig back on.
All right, Molly is gonna go put her wig back on because she absolutely loves it. And if you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, click subscribe, it's free, and ring the bell to receive notifications every time I post a new video, because we are gonna be posting a bunch of fun videos this year and I don't want you guys to miss a thing. All right, thanks again and happy Halloween. Bye-bye. And if you'd like to watch any other videos, you can click up here or up here. Oh, Molly, you got the ROMY one on.
Oh,